Hi, and thank you so much for joining me. Today I want to create a home for my air plant that I got a while back. I have a number of crystals, the pink and the purple one, some glass pieces, and I have this MDF shape, heart shape that I found at Dollarama, and I thought this would be actually pretty perfect. So what I did is I smashed my crystals so that I would have lots of little tiny pieces, and I think they look amazing. And as I was laying everything out, I realized that the purple crystal will also need to be smashed, and here it is. So I put it in an IKEA bag and I smashed it outside on my balcony so I don't damage anything. And here the pieces again look so amazing because you get the purple, you get the light purple, and you get the white. Just placing everything. At first I was trying to place everything nicely to just kind of gauge how it will all come together. And after, of course, where exactly would the air plant go? And after I glue gunned everything nicely in place. Over here is how it looks without the air plant. It came together very nicely. I had these dried up flowers from the summertime from one of my plants, and the color is pretty vibrant. It's a nice pink, and I thought it also would be kind of like a good addition to this composition. Glue gunning them also. The last step that I did, I took tweezers and I just made sure all of those little threads from the glue gun were out. Sorry, one more step that I did do, which by the way doesn't need to be done, but it's if this will be a hanging piece, to add some kind of hanging device. And over here is the hanging version of this. And this is just on the ground. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and happy Valentine's Day. Please subscribe and share if you enjoyed this. Bye.